Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is the Install and Style for Beginners part 2, so let's jump straight into the video. I've already began to sew down the tracks, but before sewing down, what I do is put both of my tracks together. So you should have 2 tracks together, and then I put my threaded needle through both of those tracks together, and then I begin to sew through the braid, because then that way it saves time and it's much easier than just sewing down each track one by one. Okay, so another thing, if you all pay close attention, I believe every 3 to 4 times I go through the braid with the needle, I will put the thread halfway through the braid, wrap the thread around the needle, and then I will pull it through. That's what I call locking my thread. For me, it helps my clients sew in last much longer because it helps the tracks not to slide or slip as their new growth is growing, or if they choose to wash their hair in between. It really just helps the tracks to stay in place until it is time for the takedown and for the hairstyle to be redone. Okay, I'm halfway through this, y'all. Just bear with me, bear with me. Okay guys, so at this point I'm almost done installing her hair. I've made it a little under halfway through, but I'm literally just doing the same method of threading every 3 to 4 times and then locking the thread down, and I'm just gonna do that all over her head until we finish the sewing. So now what I'm doing is using the Care wax stick. I'm gonna use that product on her leave out. The leave out is the section of her hair at the top that is gonna be blended down into the extensions. And so right now, all I'm doing, like I said, is just unbraiding that braid so that I can put the product on top and then begin to use my straighteners to blend her natural hair with the hair extensions installed. Hey y'all, this is where the magic is happening. This is literally my favorite part of installing, is the styling, because it's just literally magic when it's all finished and it all looks very natural. And who knows that it's not your natural hair? Nobody. So yes, honey, continue to watch this video and watch how I slay your girl's hair, y'all. Okay y'all, so please ignore my faces. I know that when I am doing hair, the only thing that I'm focused on is what I'm doing. And honey, I know I can make some faces, but that's okay because your girl's still cute, okay? Okay guys, so I am almost done blending her hair. Remember, the leave out is the part of the hair that is your natural hair usually being blended down with the rest of the extensions. And so the end result should be looking completely natural. So after I finish that blend down, now I'm just gonna go straight through and finish styling. So you all just continue to keep watching. And no, I did not forget about the leave out in the front. I know you all can kind of see those braids. What I usually do is I do the front part last. It's just personal preference. You don't have to do it like that. You just do it however you feel comfortable doing it. You already know the deal, so just continue to watch me slay. Y'all, I'm curling this hair, ain't I? Know. Hey guys, so right before I got to the front of her hair, my camera decided to die, but no worries, I have gorgeous pictures coming up so that you all can see the end results. So keep watching. The finished look. I hope you all love the end results, because she absolutely did. You all make sure to be on the lookout for part 3, which will just be on how I got this beautiful custom color for her hair. Other than that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias. To see extra pictures, follow my Instagram at DawnSNRBeauty. And until next time, you all stay slayed up, stay prayed up, and stay focused. Bye, boos. Mwah.